Welcome to D.R. Horton's Avery floor plan. This gold fortified home offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. It's almost 2,500 square feet and it has luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas, beautiful tray ceilings in the foyer, the dining room, and in the living area, and the primary suite. Beautiful quartz countertops in the kitchen, along with a tiled backsplash, a nice sized pantry, stainless steel appliances, a farm style sink, and an open floor plan. On the rear of the home, we have the covered back porch. You have a half bath right off of the living area. And then your primary suite with double tray ceilings, the primary bath with dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a tiled shower. A nice sized walk-in closet. And don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600.